for me, it's my kids. I have 2 daughters. I have an 8 and 10-year-old, 2 girls, and I spend every living time I have with them. They even cook. They cook with me, and there's kids cooks, and they do pork chops. And my little one, Caroline, she goes out and she does the events, and she hasn't lost. She's always placed. And so I'm waiting for that one day she does it, because she needs some humble pie, because she's already saying, look, I'm Caroline Cooker. And she has a little, southern draw, because I'm Caroline Cooker, and I win. And so I'm like, God, she needs a little taste of humble pie. But it's all right, with Dad's seasonings and, and coaching her, I think she does really well.
I honestly can't answer that question, because that's all I do is this. Just as much as, REC TEC and yourself are so passionate about these grills, I eat, sleep, and think about this. This is all I do. I've done this. And they always told me, even not necessarily in barbecue, but in cooking in general, if you can take me out of this industry, I wouldn't know what to do, because this is what I've done all my life. And I've incorporated that with my life, with my kids' life, as well as everything that I've known. And I was actually born and raised in this with my grandma having a restaurant. So if this is all you know, this is all you've never been ever taken out of this element. So I really don't know. And I was actually thinking about it when he's talking about his kids, because I'm thinking to myself, what do I do? I don't. At home, I'm doing something with food too. So, yeah, other than cleaning the occasional garage here and there, that's about it, man. I really live for barbecue, as well as I try to live life to the fullest,
We just said that earlier, right?
Yeah,
we
man.
only live once, right?
That's
Do
right.
it right.